Go, 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 go. Wink. You got it, go.
These ramps are just too slick.
To hold your police car?
Use your tires fixed?
Yeah. We get the tire fixed. The fire truck or police car? Okay.
Get your hog police. Try it too.
I think you have the windshield.
Hold on, let me fix your ramp. Hold on. Okay, let's try it and see. There we go.
Go, go.
You had it, you wouldn't let go. Back all the way back up and get your run and go. What you got here? Hold on.
Oh!
Turn over. Oh! Come on straight, see if you can go. Hammer down.
Careful.
No, you're crooked now. Yeah, they didn't make these ramps good. I guess I need to do something different.
Watch him in there. Watch him in there. It might.
Just are too slick.
One more time. If you can do it, Cruz, we're gonna
You go
use
one
the
more time,
winch.
wide open. I've got you. Not going nowhere. Go.
Woo! It
Let's
won't.
get it.
It's probably because it's kinda
He went a little crooked. Give me push you a little bit.
push it.
You gotta go to the left, son. You're way off. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Go, go. Give me. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Come on. I said, won't stay right there. Okay. I don't know if that'll work. Come on. Gotcha.
Okay, try it, Cruz.
Oh. Oh, you're too bad. You too bad. What you need to do about the ramps? They just don't work so good.
Do the ramps and try it.
You just gonna pull it like that? Slide.
Slide it, Cruz. Go.
Let's do it.
Turn your lights on.
Yeah. So you can turn the lights and play on.
Go. Go. Go now, Cruz.
Okay, go.
Okay. Go.
Police car chasing you. Look, it's chasing you.
Can you back it up? Turn like that and back it up here.
Looks like the police car's chasing you. There's lights on the siren.
Cruz, what did you do? What did you do?
Why the police chasing you?
You know what I'm turning.
Back up some more.
I guess Daddy needs to rebuild that trailer. We need to do something about the ramps. What do you think?
You think the earth trailer will work? What, you gonna build me?
We're gonna build you another trailer?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But don't do it for this trailer.
Cruz, Dada got a lot of projects
I got
to
lots
do.
of stuff to do. Hey, what about this project? What about that project over there? That's your new go-kart. You ain't rode it. Siren's still on. Police is after you.
Cruz, you need to hide.
You better hide from the police. You want to unload it?
Get him my phone.
You want to unload it? Here. You want to unload it? No? Okay.
Okay, say bye.
You think we can put the fire truck on there? Won't fit?
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Need to jack it up. Where? That right there?